Hello and welcome to Top Tech News Today. Here is your daily dose of latest tech news from around the world. In the latest Windows 11 preview build, Microsoft removed the bypassnro command, which let users skip signing into a Microsoft account when installing Windows. A U.S. judge rejects Musk's bid to dismiss a lawsuit claiming he defrauded ex-Twitter shareholders by delaying the disclosure of his initial Twitter investment. The new combined entity housing XAI and X is called XAI Holdings and is valued at more than $100 billion, not including debt. Hackers broke into Oracle's Cerner servers sometime after January 22nd and stole patient data to extort U.S. medical providers. The FBI is investigating. Blackstone is evaluating a small minority investment in TikTok's U.S. operations, joining the front-running bid by ByteDance's non-Chinese shareholders. Elon Musk says XAI acquired X in an all-stock deal, valuing XAI at $80 billion and X at $33 billion. XAI was reportedly in talks to raise funds in February at a $75 billion valuation. ScaleAI is seeking a valuation as high as $25 billion in a potential tender offer. It was last valued at $13.8 billion in a $1 billion Series F round led by Accel in 2024. OpenAI is finalizing a $40 billion round led by SoftBank, receiving $10 billion initially and another $30 billion by 2025's end if it restructures into a for-profit company. Reddit shares are down 50% from a February high after its Q4 earnings report showed its traffic took a hit from a change in Google's search algorithm. Former Twitch CEO Emmett Shear, who was OpenAI's interim CEO in 2023 when Sam Altman was fired, launches Softmax, a startup focused on AI alignment. Trump pardons BitMEX founders Arthur Hayes, Benjamin Delo, and Samuel Reed, who previously pled guilty to federal criminal charges related to money laundering. Google will pay $100 million in cash to settle a 2011 lawsuit accusing the company of charging for clicks on ads outside the geographic areas the advertisers targeted. The U.S. FDIC says banks can engage in cryptocurrency and other legally permitted activities without prior regulatory approval if they manage risks appropriately. U.S. chipmaker Wolfspeed's shares fell approximately 50% on Friday, hitting their lowest since 1998, a day after it appointed a new CEO, amid worries about CHIPS Act funding. Michael Novogratz's Galaxy Digital will pay $200 million as part of a settlement with the New York Attorney General over the firm's role in promoting the failed Luna cryptocurrency. Doge aims to migrate all Social Security Administration's computer systems off COBOL in a matter of months, risking the integrity of SSA infrastructure. Google says Pixel 9a will launch in the US, Canada, and UK on April 10th. The company delayed the phone's launch to April to check on a component quality issue. Google starts offering user choice billing in the UK, initially to non-game developers, says 90% plus of developers are satisfied with Google Play's native billing. An appeals court agrees with India's antitrust regulator that Google's App Store billing policy was unfair and restrictive, but cuts the fine from $110 million to $25 million. Crypto.com says the U.S. SEC won't pursue enforcement action. Crypto.com sued the SEC in October after receiving a Wells notice signaling potential charges. India criticizes Elon Musk's X for wrongly labeling an official website, used to notify tech firms of harmful content, as a censorship portal. The EU will impose minimal fines on Apple and Meta next week, far below the DMA's 10% of global turnover cap, to avoid tensions with President Trump. Taiwan is investigating 11 Chinese tech firms, including SMIC, which is being probed for allegedly poaching engineers to access the island's advanced chip tech. That was all for today. Thanks for watching, and we shall be back tomorrow. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get updates about our latest videos and daily tech news. Thanks again for watching.